Hey fellow woodcutters, Top Saw here. I have this black walnut slab, bandsaw milled on a Wood-Mizer mill. You could see all the saw marks. And then in this video, I just got a Hercules surface conditioning tool. This is the plug-in one. And then I got two sanding discs for it. They're both sandpaper. This one is 240 grit, and then this one's 60 grit right here. I think these things are like 15 bucks or 12 bucks. So let's open this thing up, fire it up, see what we got. I've seen a lot of videos on them cleaning up metal, but I haven't really seen anybody woodworking with them. This is the one that comes with it. This is a stripping drum. This thing looks like it'll peel anything pretty quick. Direction manual handle, if you want to read that. Very nice. Left hand thread there. That's what we're going to do to start with. Is put that, maybe that 60 grit on there. I work with a lot of natural edge wood, so I want to make sure I could get kind of a natural edge on it. So let's see how this thing works. Left hand thread. Spindle lock right there, I think. Let's see what we got here. There's variable speed, 1 to 6. We'll start out at 1. Trigger. Trigger lock. Wow, that's unbelievable. It's really smoothing it out. What I'm doing on the rest of it, and then I'm going to go over once I get that smooth with my press tool. Oh, this thing's cool. This thing's super cool. It's going to save a lot of time. The other thing I'm going to do is, I don't know if you can see this right here. Got a crack, and I'm going to put a natural edge on there. I love this thing so far.